Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. My dear friends, today I am going to start the UPSC IAS Prelims cum Mains 2022 Geography syllabus. Before I could start this program, I would like to tell you all that still if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it. And this is the initiative which we have taken for the free classes Target IAS. Let's begin. First, I am going to discuss with you all about the syllabus. Syllabus for Geography Prelims, Indian and World Geography. It consists of physical, social, economic geography of India and the world. So this is the syllabus for prelims point of view. Then mains, this paper comes under GS1. Okay, geography is the part, is the subject which comes under the paper GS1, and this is the main syllabus. As you can see here, salient features of world's physical geography, then distribution of key natural resources across the world including South Asia and Indian subcontinent, then factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world including India, then important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic activity, cyclone, etc. And then geographical features and their location, changes in critical geographical features including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna and the effects of such changes. So this is the mains syllabus, and I just like to highlight one important thing as per the trend. So this is just an analysis which has been done as per the previous trend. So how many questions have come in geography, as well from which are the areas the questions have been frequently asked. Okay, that we have done the analysis and we are generating this report. जैसा हम पिछले साल में जिस तरह से ज्योग्राफी का पेपर आया है एग्जाम के अंदर और जिस तरह से क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं उस एनालिसिस के बेसिस के ऊपर हम ये डिसाइड किए हैं. इस एनालिसिस को हम इधर पे दिखा रहे हैं. ओके, दिस इज मैप एंड क्लाइमेट. Every year more than 50% of the questions in geography come from the domains of map reading and climate. 50% से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आपको ज्योग्राफी में किस पार्ट से आ रहे हैं, दैट इज मैप रीडिंग एंड क्लाइमेट. इस एरिया से क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. ओके, दैट इंक्लूड्स आई मीन दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ लाइक एग्जांपल वर्ल्ड क्लाइमेट एंड फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ क्लाइमेटोलॉजी. ओके, ओनली फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, ओके, only from this area alone more than 50% questions are coming every year. And then though one might get the impression that such questions could be factual, okay, they turn out to be blend of facts and reasons. So this is very key point you need to remember. Next, 2/3 of the questions in geography are from Indian geography. Remember this point. 2/3 of the questions are coming from which part? Indian geography, and that presents a strong reason why one should prioritize this topic. Okay, NCERTs on Indian geography and background work behind important current events will play a major role in improving your score. Remember, you need to go with the NCERTs, study about the Indian geography by using your NCERTs, and also you have to collect the information, the current event information, the current event, that is your current affair, okay, regarding this Indian geography, so that it plays a very important role to get a good score. Next, apart from the two areas mentioned above, a topic which holds the next large share is agriculture. Okay, as we have discussed, climate plays a major role, as well Indian geography is also playing the major role to score a very good marks in geography. And comparing the two topics, and one more area is also, okay, is scoring part, that is your agriculture. Why? Because the fact that Indian Forest Service is a part of this prelims exam. Okay, so Indian Forest Service is also a part of this prelims exam, so agriculture also plays a major role. Okay, so this could have contributed to this trend too. Next, sources of books for prelims and GS1 geography. In my previous class I said you that I'm not going to discuss the book list. So now I'm releasing the book list here. As you can see, NCERT class 11th, NCERT class 12th. So these two geography books are very important. That is Fundamentals of Physical Geography and India Physical Environment. And next, NCERT class 12th, Human Geography, and then India People and Economy. Okay, so anyhow we will be discussing this class 12th in the next I hope after 8 or 9 classes of ours we will be discussing about this. So primarily we will be focusing on these two papers first in the beginning. Okay, Fundamentals of Physical Geography and India Physical Environment. Here I just want to suggest you that you have to study NCERTs. As I said you, it is must, but still you should have some sense how to read the NCERTs. So is we have to study the entire NCERTs? No way. Okay, some sections only you need to study. Anyhow, while we are completing the syllabus, I will be going to give you the tip which area, which section of that particular chapter you want to study. Okay, only we need the few points. Okay, few sections are required, but not like the entire NCERT we have to go through it. Okay, so please kindly remember, this is the exam. Okay, you will be scoring only by eliminating the contents. Okay, जितना आपको पढ़ना है बस उतना ही आपको पढ़ना है, उससे ज्यादा आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, ये एग्जाम ये कंसिडर कर रहा है कि आपको बस निकालना है किस चीज को मेरे को नहीं पढ़ना है. दैट वी हैव टू डिसाइड फर्स्ट. ओके, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू स्टडी. सो रिमेंबर why? Because most of us, what they do, they will be synchronizing everything of the textbook. Okay, here we are not completing any degree or something like that. Okay, this is the exam, this is the administrative power. This exam needs what you are going to do in the future. That is what is required. How you are going to control the situation, that is what is the requirement of this exam. So you should know about this all things. So kindly remember, follow our classes, what we have taken the initiative now for the free classes. So go through the syllabus perfectly and clearly. Okay, so the concepts, the syllabus, every time you should know your syllabus, and each and every word of your syllabus always you should remember. Done? Good. And then certificate Physical and Human Geography, Atlas, either you can take out any one of these both. Oxford or Orient Black Swan, Atlas are must, and GS Manual, TMH or Pearson. And after completing your NCERTs, then you have to come for the reference books. Okay, the reference book I am going to suggest you the Majid Hussain, Geography of India by Majid Hussain. Now one more question arises here. Sir, in the previous class you said like you have to study the NCERTs from class 6 to 12, right? But here you are just focusing the book list only 11th and 12th. What about 6th to 10th? Okay, I'm just going to clarify this doubt. See my dear friends, class 11th and 12th are must. Why we have to study class 6 to 10th? Because maybe some terminology, some terms are going to come while you are studying these two standards. Okay, जब ये 11th और 12th जब आप पढ़ रहे हैं उस टाइम में आपको कुछ की टर्म्स आएंगे. ओके, वो टर्म्स का मीनिंग आपको पता नहीं है, देन इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू पीपल टू डाइजेस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट्स, राइट? सो वी सजेस्ट 6 to 10. If you're okay with the basics, no problem, no issue, directly you can jump to 11th and 12th. Any term if you are missing, just take the term in the NCERT, study, and then again come back to 11th or 12th standard. If you want, you can do like this. If not, you can study from 6 to 12th. But my advice, directly if you want, you can go from 11th to 12th. If any terms are missing, if you are not understanding, either you can use of Google or even your NCERTs so that you can clarify your doubts. Anyways, I hope you have understood why 6th and 10th are required, because they will give you very basic explanation, and also including with the example. They will explain you by using the examples over there. For that reason we suggest 6 to 10th. If not, 11th and 12th if you are studying, well and good. And then you have to follow this order. That is, first you have to refer your NCERTs as I suggested, then you have to go with the Go Chi Leong and Majid Hussain. Again I am just telling you people, please do remember, you are not going to study the entire Majid Hussain textbook of geography. Only the selective chapters you need to study of this reference book, and then respective map of India and the world. So important points to be noted before we could begin this program. So please do remember, you have to make a short notes whatever you are studying, that okay, you are not going to write every word, every sentence. No, not at all is required. Okay, nothing is required like that. You are not going to take each and every point, you are taking every sentence. No, you have to make a very short notes and keep them handy. Anywhere, anytime you can use it. Okay, for example, I'm just giving you one application, you can use it. It's a mobile app or else the desktop app. You can use either Evernote or OneNote. Okay, out of these two you can use any of the app application to make these short notes in the beginning. After making the complete short notes, then you can write on the paper. Again, from that also you can make still more short notes and you can write on the paper. Okay, first you can use these applications. If any of you are finding any difficulty to how to use the applications, you can just write in the comment box. I'll be making a video upon that and I'll be explaining you how you can use it for your short notes, or either of these two applications. You can go with the free version only. No need to pay, no need to go for the paid version. You can go with the free version, that is more than sufficient for our exam. Is this clear? Okay, so you can just give in the comment section. If you are unable to use this application, I will be helping you out. Okay, then you have to refer your previous year papers to get the conceptual clarity, so that you will be getting to know exactly what is the trend of the questions are asked in the UPSC. Sometimes the questions may get repeated. Okay, it's not like that the questions are very new to you. Okay, you will be getting some repeated questions also, but how you are going to tackle those questions, that is very important. So you should have the complete conceptual clarity. And next, try to do your reading between each and every line by line. Okay, try reading between the lines and then analyze the questions from where UPSC is asking questions. You can do this analysis, and at last, after completing your general studies paper, okay, your syllabus and then reference book, and then only of the test series. Until unless you are not completing your syllabus as well the reference book, don't go with the test series. Okay, it's a sincere advice for you all. So please first complete your syllabus, know the concepts, each and everything, then you can opt your test series, so that this test series will help you out. It will help you out what level you people are, in which level your position is. Okay, so that will be very much important. Test series are must, so that you can improve your score, and also answer writing is also very important. Okay, so in my previous video, in my previous session, already I have discussed about the answer writing part, how you have to do all those stuff. I have just covered the things over in that video. I just don't want to continue this video for a long duration of time. Okay, I hope you have understood these concepts. Good. So this is a free initiative taken by Evershine Coaching Center and Shasar Classes to crack the civil service exam. Still, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all notifications, so that you can find the instant updates and notifications from our end time to time. Follow to access all these classes. In our next session, we are going to start with the Geography Section 1 General Studies syllabus. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck. If you have liked this class, click the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Wish you all the best of luck once again for this wonderful journey of UPSC. Thank you.